Amelia, that's the scariest toy I've ever seen. Look at its eyes.
No, those just light up.
Yeah, I know, but they look creepy.
No, it's pink.
I don't think we're going to get that.
Please, can
Well,
I get it?
Why don't you put it on one of your free credit cards?
Okay, I'll put it on. Okay, credit card.
Well, where's your credit card at?
Oh, it's not home.
Well, then we can't get the kitty. Not today.
Please, can I get it?
No, we got to put it back.
Mhm.
It's okay. Thank you.
No, I want to get it.
We'll talk to Santa about it, okay?
Well, please, can I get it?
We'll talk to Santa about it.
Hmm? Hmm?
Amelia, look at me. Hey, Christmas is in a week. Do you think maybe we should call Santa and ask him about that kitty?